Hello everyone, myself Devaratagiri. Today we discuss the expression for the electric field at a point on equatorial line of an electric dipole. So suppose this is an electric dipole, this is minus q charge and this is plus q charge separated by a distance of 2l. Okay, and suppose this is the center of the dipole and the line which is perpendicular to the line joining minus q and plus q charges is known as equatorial line. Okay, this is the equatorial line. Suppose P is the point where we want to find the electric field due to this dipole. Okay, and this is the center of the dipole, so this will be L and this will be L. Suppose this is A point and this is B point, and the point P is at a distance small r from the center of the dipole, suppose. Okay, and you see this electric field at point P due to this minus q charge is towards that charge, means this is the electric field. Okay, and electric field at point P due to this plus q charge is away from that charge, like this. Okay, suppose this electric field is named as E1 and electric field due to plus q charge is E2, suppose. Okay, and this distance is r. So find electric field due to minus q charge, electric field due to minus q charge at P is E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by this distance square. So this is r and this is L. So and this is perpendicular, so this will be r square plus L square whatever. Similarly, this distance is L and this is r and this is a right angle triangle, so this distance will be r square plus L square square root. Okay, so electric field expression 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So this distance is L square plus r square square root and its square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus L square. This Newton per coulomb. This is the unit of electric field. Then electric field due to plus q charge at point P, due to plus q charge, this charge at point P is given by E2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by this distance square. So this is r square plus L square square root whole square. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus L square Newton per coulomb. Okay, you see here E1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square plus L square and E2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square plus L square. So these are same. These are same in magnitude. So E1 equal to E2. Okay. So this is E2 and that's equal to E1. Since E1 is equal to E2, that's equal to E, suppose. E say E1 E1 equal to E2 equal to E say. Okay, and the value of E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square plus L square. Okay, so we found that E1 equal to E2 and that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square plus L square, that's equal to E, suppose. Okay, you see here E1 vector and E2 vector are joined by tail to tail. So by parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant vector will be in this direction. Suppose this is E net. So E net is equal to E1 vector plus E2 vector, and the resultant vector is parallel to the line joining minus q and plus q. Okay, and suppose this angle is theta, so these two lines are parallel and this is the intersection line, so this is theta and this will be theta. Again these two sides are equal, this side and this side are equal, so their opposite angle will be equal, so this will be theta. This is theta, theta, and this will be the theta. Okay. I am writing the vector here on the figure. This is E net, okay, and this is E2, this is E1, and this angle is theta. So the component of the E1 electric field along the E net is E1 along this direction, E1 cos theta, E1 cos theta, and another component will be E1 sin theta. This is E1 cos theta and this will be E1 sin theta. Similarly, you see here this angle is theta, so this angle will be theta. Okay, so this is E2 and this angle is theta. So component of E2 along this is E2 cos theta. This will be E2 cos theta, E2 cos theta, and its another component will be E2 sin theta. You see here E1 component are E1 cos theta and E2 sin theta, E1 sin theta, and E2's component are E2 cos theta and E2 sin theta. You see here E1 equal to E2 equal to E, so we can write E2 equal to E. Similarly, E1 is equal to E, and this E1 is equal to E, and this E2 equal to E. So all the forces are left. All the forces left are, this is E sin theta and this is E sin theta. They are exactly opposite to each other and equal in magnitude, so they cancel out. So E1 cos theta, sorry, E1 sin theta, E sin theta and E sin theta, both are cancel out. Okay, so only force left are E2 E cos theta, E cos theta. So this is E cos theta and this is E cos theta. So E net will be 2 times E cos theta. Okay, and the value of E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus l square into cos theta into 2 into E into cos theta. In triangle AOP, see this triangle AOP, right angle triangle, cos theta equal to B by H. This is the base. B by H means AO by H. H is AP. So AO is L by this AP is L square plus R square square root. Okay, L square plus R square square root. So in place of cos theta we can write L by L square plus R square square root. Okay, so this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2 times q into L by, you see here, this is L R square plus L square power 1 and this is R square plus L square power 1 by 2. So this will be R square plus L square power 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2 Newton per coulomb. Okay, and then 1, this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2q by L or q by 12, I think 12 here, q into 12, q charge into this separation is nothing but the dipole moment. So this is P by see the condition of dipole, that this separation, the point of separation between the center of the dipole and the point of interest or the point of observation, this R must be much greater than L. So we can neglect L here or L square here. So P by neglecting L square, we get R square to the power 3 by 2. Okay, writing here. So E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by, this is R square and power 3 by 2. So 2 cancel out. So this will be RQ. Okay, so E net will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P by RQ. And see here the net electric field is exactly opposite to the dipole moment direction. The dipole moment direction is from minus q to plus q charge. The direction of dipole moment is from minus q to plus q charge, and the net electric field at the equatorial line will be opposite to this dipole moment. So this in vector form we can write E net is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P vector by RQ. So electric finite electric field is minus of dipole moment direction, means opposite to the dipole moment direction at the equatorial line. Okay, thank you.